Hello everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to stop Facebook from auto-refreshing or auto-reloading your feed. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now, scroll until you find Facebook and simply click on it. Then, look for the option Pause Activity if unused. Check if the toggle is turned on. If it's turned on, then turn it off. This will stop the auto refresh on Facebook. Next, open the Facebook app. On the home page, tap the menu icon at the top right. Scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under the Preferences section, choose Media. Here, look for Autoplay in Feed and Stories and set it to Never. This prevents autoplaying content, which also reduces constant feed reloads. And that's it. Following these steps will help you fix Facebook auto refresh, stop Facebook auto reloading, and give you a smoother browsing experience. For more quick app and web fixes, don't forget to check out the other tutorials on App and Web Workshop.